Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the live trading alert room, futurestradingcoach.com. Today's Thursday, December 5th. We had a pretty active day today. In the room, we had 4 trades called. 3 were winners. 1 was a break even, maybe a 1 tick loser at worst case scenario. And we had 2 other trades that were mentioned just because we like to show the people the power of the methodology. There's just so many trades usually that are there, and we always mention that we don't call every single trade and every single opportunity, and we still didn't even today, even with those 6. But just to show people that the power of what we're doing here. I'm going to go through this pretty quick here. The first trade here, we were averaged in around 78 quarter to 78.75 right in this bubble, depending on how many contracts people had and how they did it. Worst case would have been 78.75. I said to get out of the trade at 78.50 here. I actually made a tick, but some people could have lost the tick, so very, very small loser here, or a break even, depending on how people got in and how many contracts they took. So that was that trade. The next trade here, again, we got long, 89.75. I said the trade could go for 1.5 to 2 points, and it did. It went from 89.75 up to 92. Okay, so that everybody could have gotten 2 points in that trade there, so that was a winner. Market came down. We actually were in a CL trade, which I'll get to in a second, but we were not in this trade up here. There was an opportunity I mentioned, but I got us in down here short at 550. Short at 550. I said that the market should make its way down to the target here. Take a point, take 2 points if you can get it, and then if you've got any more contracts, we'll see what happens. Once this came back up here, everybody could have got filled at 2 points, and I said once this came up here, I said it's probably going to be done. If you're at entry with any runners, you get stopped out, but again, I recommended taking 1 and 2 points there. So that was a couple points. On this trade here, this is one of the ones where I mentioned where I said, just watch this, guys. I want to show you guys the power of the methodology. The long was at 575 right here at this green candle here by this dot, 575. Again, I said I'd be out of the trade at 775. Or I'm sorry, 750 on this green candle here. If I was in it, which I was not, but I wanted to point out that it was a trade that people in the method room could have taken. We could have been in from here again too and up, but I'm not even going to count that because it was actually after the room closed. That was another point to 2 points there. 7 ticks, and that was it on that one. On crude oil, when the market came up here to 97.75, I said that I fully expect the market's going to pull back, and I said that I would not recommend taking the trade, even though sometimes we do have an entry up there. I said I would wait until it pulls back. So I said you would get long at 97.60 right here. 60, 61, 62, anywhere in there. There were actually people that went against my recommendation and took the trade up here, which is fine. The trade still would have worked. No one would have gotten stopped out. So you would have either added here, which was actually the trade. You would have initiated your position here. But in any scenario, it was a winner. Either you were in from 60, you were either averaged in from 67, you were in from 60. And the trade went from there. I said that it should go 15 to 20 pennies above the 75 area, and that's exactly what it did right up here. So that was a winner anywhere from 15 to 30 pennies, depending on where you were in from and how long you held onto the trade. That was a good trade there. Method creator Sam Goldberg came in to talk to us, and as soon as he came in the room, he said crude's definitely coming down. He said that he doesn't recommend we take it in the room personally unless it got up a little bit higher, but that guys in the method room were in the trade right now. That was right at this red arrow. Short said it would go down to 62. Okay, in the room with everybody listening, and that's exactly where the trade went. And that's it. It's as far as it went from here. So that would have been another 15 penny winner there. It went a little bit further, but you probably would have taken your profits of 15 pennies. So just a great day, guys. We're showing off what we're doing here. We're taking live trades. If anybody wants to check us out, go to our website, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Click the link to join the free trial. You can see all our trade results. We've got a YouTube playlist. You can see the trade results going back 20, 30, 40 days. I think that's as far as it is, as far as we have it on the YouTube. And we also offer mentoring. Check us out for that. If you want more information on the mentoring to learn the methodology, or just want to hop into the trading room here for a free trial and check it out for a month or two maybe before you want to learn it, feel free to do that, guys. We're going to come back here tomorrow. We're going to do it again. We'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.